Where are we?
At the train park.
Train park. Awesome. Going on the train. You ready to go on the big one? Have you been on the big one?
For Christmas, we've been on it.
Oh, to see Santa, but the line was too long, yeah. Hi.
Hi. Say hi, Addie.
Hi. Hi.
Want to go on the big choo-choo train?
Come on. I can't wait. Can't wait.
Cool, we're going in.
This is where they used to put bags, suitcases, chests.
You don't hold my hand? Okay.
This is really old.
Yeah. Oh, we're going now.
Look how thin this is. Oh, look, so there's the kitchen.
Oh, jeez. Look at the, we're on a train, an actual train.
Look, you can go, you don't go in there, but that's where the kitchen is. I guess this is where you can sit, and there's even a potty right next to the bench where you can eat. That's awesome. Wow. So here's like a dining room in the train. Hi girls, we having fun yet? If you guys are claustrophobic, I wouldn't suggest coming in here because the wall or the pathway is about as wide as I am. Oh, cool. So you can sleep in this.
It's really hot.
It is hot in here. Hello. They still have toilet paper. Wow.
Cool.
So this is the very back of the train.
Wow, I've never been on an actual train.
Oh, this is the coolest part. This is the caboose. And look, if I was on a real train, this is where I'd want to hang out because you can just sit back here and just watch the whole road go behind you. This is cool.
There goes Haley.
Oh, she's gonna fall. Hey.
Hey.
Looks like we missed this train again. We gotta wait. Go on the carousel. You guys don't want to get on a horse? We're moving! Woo! There's Daddy!
Alright guys, so we're about to get on the train.
Haley, are you excited? Is this your first train ride? Look at Mommy.
Addie's first train ride.
Hi.
Wow.
Ooh, why are you holding yours?
It's gonna be loud. screaming.
Now we're gonna go get some ice cream. Oh, I want some.
Madison's trying icy.
What do you need to go over there for? I thought you wanted ice cream. We're going to the Halloween store after this.
I hope it's not too creepy.
Freaky? Spooky? Creepy. Oh.
Oh, we like spooky.
Yes, I'm not scared.
Except when it's the haunted house that Mommy ran out of screaming.
Yeah. You're gonna be okay?
We're leaving the train park.
So we just got back to the car and Peyton pointed out that I accidentally left the door open the entire time.
Yeah.
Mommy, is your purse, was it still have everything
My
inside?
purse is still in there. Luckily.
Her purse was in the car, but thank goodness it was still there.
Look at the big spiders.
Look it growing up. Look it growing up. He's making that sound.
This is gross.
Aww.
Look, this is nasty.
Creepy clown. I think they got rid of a lot of the good stuff here. What'd they say about the decorations? Why?
They said it's not Spirit, it's like a family-owned place, so that's why.
Oh, we should need to go to a Spirit.
Sub-Zero.
It's from a game.
Well, if you don't know who Sub-Zero is,
Peyton doesn't.
it's creepy. You want to get out now, Haley? You can
She
get out.
sees Rose and stuff.
You can get out.
Look at all that.
Aww. A fox. Haley loves foxes.
What does the fox say?
Can Haley put it on?
Ding, 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 ding. Look up.
Look at me. Look at me. No. Here.
What a cute little princess.
Let's go over to this one.
No.
Which way to the haunted ball? Enter ahead of the crowd. Ahead of the crowd, you get it?
Look at that big spider, Peyton. That's scary. Come over here with me. I realized I bumped into it. Oh my gosh. That's awesome.
Peyton.
Does it move when you walk by it or something? Oh gosh. That's awesome. I want one. That's so cool. Don't be scared. It's just pretend. It's just pretend. Look at these baby outfits. How cute. Cute. I love it.
I like this one.
Ooh, a butterfly one. Oh, pretty.
Dada.
Aw.
No.
Alright, we're gonna go this way so Peyton's not scared anymore, Daddy. You look like an elephant, Daddy.
Not that entertaining.
Hi, Addie.
Daddy, no.
Alright, babe. Daddy, chicken win. Haley's not entertained. She must be tired. Daddy, we found one. Look.
Yeah. Pooh is always funny. Pooh head. Rocky left, Emily. Rocky left, Emily.
Daddy wants to be something in Star Wars. And I can be,
Put that here.
Aww.
Just what I've always wanted, to be an evil empire and rule the world.
Okay, this is kind of crazy. We're leaving. Everyone's scared. What?
I'm not scared.
Good. Well, we're leaving though. It's a little too scary for your sister. It's okay. I think we're gonna go to Bath and Body Works. We're still waiting on it to be about 6 o'clock when we'll pick up our groceries. We do like the order online and then pick them up so we don't have to deal with 3 kids in the store. Bath and Body Works.
Oh, it smells like carnival in here.
How's that one smell? Ooh, pumpkin cupcake. So good, huh? What are you doing, girls? Smelling? These are the car ones. Mommy loves these. Which one's your favorite?
This one.
My favorite is the... What did I get?
This.
Pumpkin cupcake.
Oh. I love you.
We're gonna put it on in my car. How's that sound?
Smell, everybody.
We got some good candles. Fall scented.
Oh, we got the best candle.
Hi, Addie.
Yeah.
Hi, Addie.
Just whacking.
Hi, everybody.